So today we are going to make our group project executive summary about the innovation fitness report. So we have the introduction, literature review, and organization introduction, findings, discussion, recommendations, and I'm going to make a short introduction about our project. So first of all, the organizational success hinge on effective innovation management in today's fast-paced business environment. And this presentation assesses the innovation management of Luzhou Laojiao, a renowned Chinese baijiu producer, and offers practical suggestions to improve its capacities in this area. And the presentation combines key concepts from the innovation management course, examine data, explore major themes, discusses results, and conclude with strategy definition.
Okay, I will talk about the later review. The first is search. Innovation process step first is search. This is what most people would call innovation or descriptive innovation. It's very often the only step they say. It's the step where you look for a new idea to offer more value to your existing customers or come up with a value processing for a new set of the slides. The second is innovation strategy. Innovation strategy is to guide how to use resources to achieve innovation goals, realize value, and establish competitive advantage. Strategy should include analysis of enterprises, competition and technology environment and its extra challenge and opportunities. The second is prospective linkages. A conceptual review and a new define it is say that innovation ecosystem is a group of continuously innovating participants, activities, and artifacts, as well as into things and relationships, including complementary and alternative relationships, which is important to innovation performance of a participant or group of participants.
So in the selection part of the literature review is talk about the innovation project selection is complex and involves managing uncertainty and risk. Organization can spread risk by using portfolio approach, especially for radical innovation. Simplifying assumption can lead to missed opportunity and challenges. To address this, organization need techniques to think beyond their current frame of reference. Effective screening and management of the idea is crucial for the successful integration of conceptualization, selection, and portfolio management enhances innovation outcomes. Psychological and sociological factors influence project selection. Revising the idea submission process and improving decision-making can ensure the fair assessment. Where our brain favor familiar innovation, process fluence doesn't guarantee accurate decision-making. And in the business model of the literature review, is talk about a strong business model is essential for innovation and marketplace success. It involves creating a value proposition that satisfies customer need and capturing value while ensuring customer satisfaction. Amit and Zoltz emphasize the dynamic nature of the value creation, the flexible arrangement of activities, and the importance of problem solving. Lundquist, Senior, and Bloch categorize value factors that address various customer needs. One process an innovative customer segmentation approach using deep learning and cluster intelligence models. Innovation business model provide leisure for the founders, reducing reliance on limited resources and enable groundbreaking innovation, the first more equitable environment for business model innovation. And in the learning of the literature review, is talk about innovation management involves creating effective routine for the learning and overcoming challenging. Tide and Besant emphasize the acquisition of new knowledge and the coordination of capabilities for dynamic capabilities. Bella, Morgan, and Sebeck highlight the link between learning speed and productivity of voting for action learning. Colin and Mike Miking promote a personal learning pathway, where Argot and Levin emphasize the importance of a learning organization and integrate systematic learning. Genius model includes self-mastery, mental models, term learning, and sharing version and system thinking.
So the next part is agile implementation. It is a concept that has received a lot of attention in the field of innovation management. And according to the TED and business, organization needs to be agile in order to manage complex relationships. They stress the need for agility in managing technical, market, and organizational changes. And Brown's explosion of the potential and difficulties of digital transformation highlights the necessity of the agility in effectively implementing digital projects and navigating disruptive forces in the digital era. And for the innovation organization is a process that helps companies turn innovative ideas into commercial products and services. It involves creating an environment that fosters innovation, developing a process for managing ideas, and allocating resources to the most promising ideas. And for the reflect on how contexts are changing on sustainability digitalization ecosystems. Sustainability is becoming an increasingly important consideration in the innovation process. Consumers and investors are demanding more sustainable products and services, and companies need to respond to this demand. This means that companies must incorporate sustainability into their innovation process from ideation to commercialization. Digitalization is transforming the innovation process. The digital age has enabled companies to collect vast amount of data, and this data can be used to inform the innovation process. Companies can use data to understand consumer needs and preference, to identify market trends, and to test and refine prototypes. For the ecosystem, they are changing the innovation process. Companies are increasingly working with partners and collaborators to create new products and services. This requires a different approach to innovation, one that involves in building and managing innovation ecosystem.
Hello, I will introduce this company, Luzhou Laojiao Group, Luzhou Sichuan, a brain processed enterprise, Luzhou Laojiao. The company is located in Luzhou, Sichuan province in China. It is a state-owned holding listed company with a wing market history of more than 4,000 years. The company's total assets are nearly 3 billion yuan, and the production build area is more than 316 and 1,000 square meters. The shareholding structure of the Luzhou Laojiao. As for ownership structure of the Luzhou Laojiao state-owned assisted commission accounted for the 51.1%, and the China Merchants Fund Management accounting for the 12.7%. Other the ministry shareholder and the listed stocks. We are in interview with the Luzhou Laojiao. Some leader we are asked like question. This is the first question. Can you describe how to organization in defining and express new area of the innovation? What strategy is important to scan for potential opportunity or the threats? And the other question. Okay, the last one is the innovation fitness test. It can be seen from the figure that Luzhou Laojiao is the Lincoln Cage score is the highest research 5.25 point, but the process is only 4.525 point, which is 1 point lower than Lincoln Case. Shows that the company business environment is not bad. Especially, it can clearly know what type of products customer need.
So the discussion in this discussion is talk about Luzhou Laojiao Group has embraced the digital technology to transfer its operation and stay competitive. They have streamlined process, enhances connectivity, and expand their industry chains through digital solutions. Digitalization has also improved market research, decision-making, cooperation, acquisition activities, and talent training. The company has introduced automatic brain equipment for the efficiency and seamless integration. They collaborate with stakeholders, adapt a customer in check approach, and prioritize sustainability. Overall, Luzhou Laojiao has leveraged digital transformation for innovation and sustainable growth.
So for the Luzhou Laojiao, it has successfully implemented a variety of innovative practicals and strategy across many areas of their business. These practicals are guided by key principles for managing innovation, including a focus on sustainability. And we have made a table for the recommendation for the Luzhou Laojiao companies after we make the interviews. We to integrate sustainable practicals across the value chain. Companies will need expertise in sustainability, funding for process improvements, and employee training similarity to enhance digital capital elasticity. Investments in IT infrastructure, digital technology, expertise, and training will be required. The table serves as a strategical guide for Luzhou Laojiao to improve the innovation management by outlining actionable recommendations, their rational short-term and long-term actions, potential impact, and required resources. So that's all for our project, and this is the extreme summary.
Thank you.
Thanks.